So let's just take a couple of minutes to go over Module 2, Digital Literacies. And the first thing to notice is that we have a synchronous session on Monday, 6:30 at 8 o'clock, and thank you to Tony for being willing to host. It is optional, but if you do attend and you actively participate the whole time, then you will get a code that you can use to opt out of any 20-point assignment. And all you would do is take that code and you submit that as your assignment instead of the assignment itself. So you would just say, I'm not doing this one, here's my coupon code. So that'd be that. So just so you know that I am going to be in Atlanta this week. So you know what, the class is online. I'll have access to the internet. So you might not even notice that I'm gone. But I might be a little bit slower answering email just because I'm going to be going to all these conference things. So just kind of understand that. And I know that you're traveling a little bit too this summer. So, you know, it's summer. I've got the Module 2 overview. I'm going to go ahead and pop that open real quick. And so you'll notice that I've got a hook video for you to watch, 15 seconds. And this is actually a 7-minute video. It's a really good video to start getting you to think about digital literacy with your students and why it's important for them. I've listed some of the learning objectives. This module is about being literate in a variety of mediums, and it's not just about reading. There's digital literacy, but there's also just literacy in a lot of different areas because every subject, every context has its own verbiage, expectations, skills, things that you need to know to be literate in that area. So you're going to have an opportunity in this module to explore and check those out. And then I have some essential questions, things that you want to be thinking about and try to answer for yourself by the end of the module, and I'm going to put this video right here. If you think of any essential questions that I should add or learning objectives that maybe I didn't include, please let me know. I'd like to add those on there. Okay, go ahead, go. These at the top, by the way, if you don't know, these are called breadcrumbs. And so following the breadcrumbs, I'm able to get back to the main course. I don't want to click on School of Education, that'll take me out of the course. Scrolling back down to Module 2, you'll see that we do have another collaborative reading document. And when you're inserting in comments, they are small comments. It's just, I don't know about you, but I'm reading, sometimes I just have a visceral reaction or just a, oh, me too. And I just want to I kind of want to express that somewhere. So that's just your opportunity to put in little notes, anything substantive, where you want to actually have a discussion or, you know, more than just a few characters, go ahead and put that into the Google Plus community. Our big assignment for this module is the literacy assignment. And so what you're going to do is go ahead and choose a topic. There's a variety of different literacies. And so I'd like you to research, what does it mean to be literate in that area? What kind of skills do you need? What knowledge do you need? Why is it important for ourselves and for our students to be literate in that area? And then create a presentation for the rest of the students to learn from what you researched on that topic. Now I chose to use the tool MoveNote, and the only reason I chose that is because it's new and it might be something that you haven't tried before. It allows you to put slides together with your face, so put a little bit of yourself into the presentation and to kind of mimic a little bit more of like what we do in a face-to-face class when we do presentations. If you have another tool that you'd like to use, please let me know. I'd like you to get outside of your comfort zone a little bit and to try something new. So if you've used MoveNote before, then I'd be open to using something else. But if you haven't, why don't you go ahead and give it a try? I have a quick assignment on Creative Commons. I think it's important that we understand this type of licensing, and also I use Flickr a lot with Creative Commons. You have to filter it, you have to do specific things to get into Flickr to filter it down to the advanced settings and choose Creative Commons, because actually most of the images on Flickr are not Creative Commons. So that's something to know. So I'd like you to just upload a few pictures to Creative Commons to kind of see how to do it so you can start building a resource for you and your students of images that are freely licensed for them to use. The Google Plus participation, you're going to do that every week. And then I have the final project. I have our first checkpoint You want to make sure that you've got your topic chosen and your partner, and you just demonstrating that you've gotten started. So hopefully this week isn't too difficult. I wish you luck and have a great module.